This is a 2004 Case 90XT skid steer loader for sale by Texas Skid Steer. It's kind of hard to tell, but tires are a little dirty, but the tires that are on it are brand new tires. We put them on there, they're brand new. If you'll notice, it's very, very clean skid steer. If you'll notice the hours that are on it, I mean, this machine is just barely broke in. If you'll look at most 90XT skid steers, most of them will last close to 10,000 hours. The hours that this one has on it, I mean, this may last you the rest of your life. The Cummins diesel engine that comes in these does not hardly wear out. They're rock solid engines. They'll last forever. In my opinion, they're one of the top skid steer engines on the market. And this particular one is an 04. It doesn't hardly have any hours on it at all for the engine that it has in it. And it is just clean as it can be. And if you need a skid steer that's going to last you a long time, that operates off hand controls, has a good solid tooth bucket, that'll lift a lot of weight, that'll do a lot of hard, heavy work, and it's just clean and nice and strong running, then this is the skid steer for you. In my opinion, the Case 90XT is one of the best skid steers on the market. Now I'm going to try to set the camera back in the back over here, and then I'm going to try to go get on this skid steer and demonstrate it for you. That's what a top class of the line skid steer are to run like. And Case skid steer is, in my opinion, the top of the line skid steer that you can buy today. This one is a low mile or low hour skid steer, gonna last you a long time. You are to rush to buy this skid steer. This is what you need.